agree with him. I'm inclined to agree with him. Here it is, folks. Last chance to take a screenshot. I don't have the best penmanship, but if you zoom in, you'll be able to tell what team you're on. But I'm going to pull it away, and we're going to get ripping into these 7 items, ending in a Spectra. Good luck. So we're obviously going to start with some hangers here. We're going to do these 2 prism hangers to start it out. Good luck, everybody. Hope everybody gets something nice, but if you don't worry. I got you. And not me saying it right now doesn't really mean much. It's more of when you get it in the mail. That's when you understand. That's when you truly understand. On the top of this one is a Richie Grant empty box. Gil, I appreciate you hopping in, brother. Let's see. You picked the squad of all squads. And on the top of this one is a Javonte Williams. All right. Let me drop this just a little bit. That's better. Good luck, everybody. Grant, Njoku, Hamlin, Khalil Herbert, Desmond King, Justin Herbert, David Bakhtiari, Kurt Warner, Montez Sweat, Deebo Samuel, Isaiah Hodgins, Geno Smith. Our first base is a Jonathan Mingo rookie for the Panthers, followed up with a Silver Charger rookie, Thule for the Chargers. Behind Thule is a Niner. George Kittle headed out to Mr. Esquire. For the Cowboys, Tony Pollard. I think that's Fred. Lion, not a rookie. Kirby Joseph. It's got to start somewhere, Gil. Paris Johnson Jr. for the Cardinals. Behind that is a Micah Parsons on the hype for the Cowboys. And we end with an Eagle. A.J. Brown on the green wave hype for the Eagles. Not too bad. Not too bad. We'll take that, Josh. Good old Kirby Joseph. We'll put AJ back there. I don't like empty, so we'll put Thule back there too, since he's this little silver hollow action. These are just the little morsels before the good stuff. Sometimes they can give us something nasty. Sometimes it's just chilling. Kirby Joseph. Tony Pollard. And George Kittle. Is Kittle? Hold up. I don't know. He looked a little different there for a second. I thought maybe he'd be numbered. Let's see what's behind Javonte. Let's see what's chilling behind Javonte. Javonte Williams, Miles Sanders, Buda Baker, Logan Wilson, Sky Moore, Bailey Zappi, Keenan Allen, Jair Alexander, Daron Payne, George Pickens, Montez Sweat, Deebo Samuel, our first base, Dontavian Wicks for the Packers, headed out to Scotty. Behind that is a Charger, not a rookie this time, Khalil Mack for the Chargers. What's behind that? Saints, Honey Badger with the little Panini line that we love so much. Michael Gallup for the Dallas Cowboys. For the Chargers, Chargers eating early. Justin Herbert. Steelers, Joey Porter Jr. with another lovely Panini special. Fireworks, Josh Jacobs, not a prism. And behind Mr. Jacobs is a Bengal. It's the Bengal. It's Joseph Burra. Okay. 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 The good old Panini special. They're only going to be around so much longer. Only going to be around so much longer. All right, I'm going to open the Select 2022 now. Actually, I take that back. We're going to open the Rookies and Stars. Let's see if we can get something flowing here. Let's go straight to one of the Rookies and Stars. There's 2 of them. I'm gonna make you wait, Fred. I'm gonna tease you. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. Let's do a little Rookies and Stars action. The best base cards in the business. Rookies and Stars longevity. Mac Jones. Stephon Diggs for the Bills. Jimmy Garoppolo. Mike Evans. A.J. Dillon. That is a Saquon Barkley upside down. Behind Saquon is a Bill. You know who it's got to be, right? It's the one and only Joshua Allen on the Airborne Laser. Take that, Bills. Behind him is a Derrick Henry Man in Motion red. Jaden Reed Rookie Rush red for Scotty. And Julius Brents for the Colts to start our first pack out. Well, I don't mind getting a little Josh Allen in the first pack. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you. And just so you guys know, I guess it's possible, but I haven't encountered one yet where one of these were numbered. So, but we'll keep opening them and see if that changes. Okay. Joseph Burrow, Kyron Williams, Kyler Murray, Michael Pittman Jr., Dak Prescott. Oh, you can see it already. Points. That's why I put it in there. Dak Prescott, we got points that are going to, just so you can see on the sheet, Bray got that spot. So whatever these are, I don't think they're Yep, 150. 150 on the points. Hang on. Try not to show this. Okay, now I got it. Behind the points, Jamar Chase. Red standing ovation. Justin Jefferson. And an Aiden O'Connell for the Raiders. They put quite a few in those longevity boxes, I've noticed. More than a couple. So, Chet, points are what you can use on the Panini website. They drop stuff on there every once in a while that you can get with the points. There's stuff on there now, but it's not always great stuff, so you kind of have to watch out for it. Josh Allen, Devontae Adams, Tyler Lockett, Aaron Jones for the pack, Kayvon Thibodeau, Jamar Chase on the base. We got thrillers back here. Joe Mixon thrillers for the Bengals on the laser. Behind that is Joseph Burrow for the Bengals. 3 Bengal cards in a row. Anthony Richardson on the red draft class for the Colts. It's a nice start. And a Bryce Young. Okay. Okay. Three Bengals, a Bryce Young, and an AR. I know. Trust me, I know. Gil, they've been skunking me. I've been getting them pretty regularly here recently. But, you know, Gil, you know what's the good news? Is that you're in this break and I'm a Lions fan, so worst comes to worst, I got more than a couple Lions. I'm just saying, you know. That ain't nothing crazy, but I got some Lions. You would want to kind of build them up, Chet, over time. That way you can maybe get something a little bit more quality with the points. Schultz, DeAndre Swift. For the Bengals, Sam Hubbard. For the Rams, Matt Stafford. The one and only Desmond Ridder. Travis Etienne Jr. for the Jags. Another Thrillers for the New Orleans Saints. That is Derek Carr. There you go, Saints. Okay. Touchdown Club, Derrick Henry red, Jaden Reed draft class red, and a Bengal, DJ Turner. Missed a 10. We have a whole nother box of these too, so that's why I started ripping one now, just in case. Just in case we didn't want to do those back to back like that. But I am going to open the select next. That's what I'm opening next. Hopefully we get a little deed, a little zebra or something. But Rookies and Stars is not done yet. Najee. Micah Parsons. DJ Chark Jr., Josh Jacobs, Derrick Henry, Christian Watson. Oh, there he is. Dom, there you go, brother. That's kind of nice, actually. Crusade, Will Levis, Laza. Not bad, bro. I wouldn't mind having that card. Keenan Allen, Man in Motion. Red, Rookie Rush, Zay Flowers, and a Riley Moss for the Broncos to round out that pack. We should have a mem still. One more to go. A.J. Brown, Joe Mixon, Cooper Kupp, Zach Ertz, Christian Kirk. I don't know if Dom's in here or not, John. That's his. Kenny Pickett, The Patch, Star Search, Rashee Rice for the Chiefs. Headed out to Mr. Esquire out of $3.99. Can barely see it. Yep, $3.99. A Patty Mahomes behind that on the red. A Zay Flowers on the red draft class. That's 2 Zay Flowers now. And it ends in a Charlie Jones for the Bengals. Just like that. Just like that. Bring that back. Three boxes, one lion. Well, you know, Gil, there is one box in here that matters a little bit more than the others. Just one of them, though, you know. Let's get into the megas. 2022 style. We're looking for die cuts. We're looking for zebras. We're looking for whatever Select's willing to give us. 6 packs per box. There are 7 cards per pack. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's going there. Yeah, be careful with these die cuts. Burrow. White for the Bucks. Rookie. Thielen. Snoop Connor for the Jags. Saquon Barkley die cut for the G-Men. Derek Young for the Seahawks. And a numbers, Jalen Hurts, not a prism. So not terrible. We got the starting running back for the Bucs. And a Saquon Barkley die cut. Mayfield, Watson, Mr. Benito for the Broncos, Saquon Barkley, Treylon Burks, rookie die cut for the Titans, Sam Howell, rookie die cut for the Commanders, and a Garrett Wilson, rookie, not a prism, for the Jets. Jets, Commanders, Titans. I wonder how long it's going to be until this guy's starting in Seattle. All right, Cooper Kupp, DeMarvin Leal for the Steelers, Javonte Williams for the Broncos, Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs. What is this again? Field level? Club level. Joe Burrow die cut for the Bengals. Malcolm Rodriguez die cut. Gil. Mr. Rodriguez. And a Kenny Pickett on the numbers. All these people playing for different teams and stuff now. He's actually not a bad player. I'm not going to give him too much crap. His card's probably not the best thing in the world, but he's not bad. He's good hustle. Makes plays. A.J. Brown, Malik Willis, Easy E for the Dolphins, Christian Watson for the Packers, rookie Rondell Moore die cut for the Cardinals, Juju Smith-Schuster die cut for the Chiefs, and behind that is a Brian Robinson for the Commandos. It's not a prism, but it is a Commando. You all know what we want out of this. It's not a secret. We want a zebra. We'll take what they'll give us, but we want a zebra. Is Malik Willis still on the Titans? Is he still there? Is he still on that team? I'm just helping Easton. I'm just making it easier for when I ship this stuff out. Traylon Burks, Skylar Thompson, Romeo Dobbs, Brock Purdy. There he is. Club level. Skylar Thompson, Jared Goff, die cut, and a Christian Watson on the future. Jared Goff, brother. I'm just messing with you, Gil. I have to. I'm a part of it too. I'm here too. Old Brock. A Rondell Moore. Martin Emerson for the Browns. Mac Jones. Justin Jefferson. Romeo Dobbs die cut for the Pack. Headed out to Scotty. The one and only Boye Mafe for the Seahawks. Turbocharged. Who is that? Christian Kirk. Why is it not showing it? There it is. Christian Kirk for the Jags. Boye Mafe. Everybody's favorite Boye Mafe. And a little Romeo Dobbs die cut. Now we open Optic. A truly ancient relic. $10 packs per box. Emptiness. Ah, that 2021 Air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This one felt a little thick, so we're going to do that, and we're going to open them all. Brian, I see you, brother. I see you. Jim Kelly, Debo Samuel. For the Pats, Ramondre Stevenson, rookie, and good old Jacob Harris. Pats hadn't gotten anything really up to that point. Take a Ramondre to start it out. Spectre's where all the gold's at. I got you, brother. I couldn't find you on here. That's why I was asking chat. I couldn't find you at all. Ben Roethlisberger. For the Bucks, Jalen Darden, Silver Hollow, and a Jake Funk. Jake Funk and Jacob Harris in Optic are always there. They always come in pairs every single time. Back to back. Let's see what we can find in here. Chilling. Crowder, Earl Campbell, Jamie Gillian for the Browns. Of all the times, I don't think I've ever pulled that card. Greg Rousseau for the Bills. Glow ball. Noah Fant, Traquan Smith, bronze rookie for the Dolphins, Jalen Waddle. Okay, we'll take that. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? And behind Jalen is a Falcon, Kyle Pitts, on the rated rookie. Okay. Let's get this thing going a little bit here. Come on, Optic. Holla at us. Kyle Pitts. Let's see what he does now. Kenyon Drake, Terry McLaurin, Chase Edmonds, and an Elijah Mitchell for the Niners. Miles Sanders, Brad for the Niners, Elijah Mitchell, Silver Hollow, and a Caleb Farley for the Titans. Come on, Amon-Ra. 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 James White, Nick Bosa for the Raiders, Alex Leatherwood, and Ja'Marr Chase for the Bengals. Bengals doing all right. Cortland Sutton, Deontay Johnson, Silver Hollow, I know that man. Earl Campbell, Silver, and Zaven Collins for the Cardinals. Absolute monster that guy was. Well, the one good news, everybody, is that Spectra box is sitting back there. Now, is it going to pay out? Is it going to save the day? I don't know, but I know it's the box that could do it. TJ Hawkinson, David Johnson for the Niners, Trey Sermon, the Niners mega, and a Diami Brown for the Commanders. I'm pretty sure this pack has a mem in it. Yep. Swift, Tannehill, rated rookie for the Bucks, Jalen Darden, and the patch goes to, well, it's a Bronco. Rookie phenoms, Javonte Williams for the Denver Broncos. Let's flip it around here. There you go, Denver. Okay. Here you go, Mark. All right, we've got one box left before the finale. And typically, I can put a lot more than what I put in this one and do. I just couldn't do it with that in there. I did the best I could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. What up, Wise? Just in time. We've got the Rookies and Stars longevity box left and the Spectra. Wise, who'd you get today? Oh, you got the Bengals? Wise, you've been doing all right. You've been doing all right up to this point. Jobu's fine. He's over there puffing on his stogie. Parsons, DJ Chark, Josh Jacobs, Derrick Henry, Christian Watson, and A.J. Brown. James Conner on the Crusades for the Cardinals. Josh Allen, red, standing ovation. Justin Fields, man in motion, red. And a Tyler Scott rookie for the Bears. Joe Mixon, Cooper Kupp, Zach Ertz, Christian Kirk, Kenny Pickett, behind Mr. Mac Jones. Probably our auto out of $2.99. For the Chargers, Darius Davis out of $2.99. This guy's all up in 2023 product. But hey, it's an auto. We'll take it, Chargers. Why not, Fred? Jamal Williams, Jordan Addison, red for the Vikings, and a Devin Witherspoon for the Seahawks. Rookie style. But seriously, Darius Davis is in this product a lot. I have no idea. I know nothing about him. So I'm not going to talk no trash or anything like that. Maybe he's a deed. Maybe he's maybe he's going to be Jim Harbaugh's boy. But to be honest, I know nothing about him. Is he? Okay. Stephon Diggs, Jimmy Garoppolo, Mike Evans, A.J. Dillon, Saquon Barkley, Joseph Burrow. For the Texans, quarterback, Thrillers, C.J. Stroud. Amanda, at least he didn't completely disappear on us here. C.J. Stroud on the Thrillers. Laser, Tyler Lockett, Hendon Hooker, red. Okay, now we're talking. A little bit of love. And a Quentin Johnston for the Chargers. A little bit of love. Darius. Or no, that's Quentin. Well, all right, that's better anyways. So they don't all just cave in on each other. Hendon Hooker. And we got 3 packs of this left. Let's see what else it can do for us. What else you got? What else you got? Singletary, Devontae Smith, Amari Cooper, Jalen Waddle, Drake London, Trevor Lawrence for the Eagles, Jalen Hurts on the airborne. There you go, Eagles. Okay. We got a red Jalen Waddle, man in motion for the Dolphins. A Jahmyr Gibbs on the red rookie rush. And look at the Lions showing up a little bit. and Mekhi Blackman for the Vikings. 2 packs left. And then it's Spectra time. Oh. They didn't want me in that one. TJ Watt, Cortland Sutton, Mike Gesicki, Max Crosby, Ryan Tannehill, Dalton Schultz. For the Seahawks, wide receiver Jackson Smith and Jigba. For the Seahawks, we'll take that little laser action for the Seahawks. Not too bad, DJ. Jamar Chase on the red standing ovation. A red Bryce Young for the Panthers. And the one and only Brian Brees for the Saints. Legends of the game. Brian Brees. One more to go, and then you see what's popping. Did we get a mem yet? I don't think we did. We should have a mem in here. DeAndre Swift, Sam Hubbard, Matt Stafford, Desmond Ridder, Travis Etienne, Najee Harris, and on, well, you saw it. Who ended up with them? Because they sat there for a long time. DJ, Justin Jefferson, NFL Authentic, out of 399 patch. We'll take that. For sure. Austin Eckler, red. Tank Dell, rookie rush, red. And a Jatavius Martin for the Commanders. All right, we're here, folks. The moment has arrived. This was a longevity box. The Spectre is a hobby. And we're about to open it right now. You like that Jatavius Martin, bro? That's nasty, ain't it? That's one of the things with getting the Commanders and the Cardinals. You just never know. But good news is you're breaking with Primo. You'll forget all about those teams. But we're not done yet either. 4 packs of Spectra still in front of us here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wow, usually one's a lot thicker than the others. I'm not seeing that here. I'm just not seeing it. So let's just roll with it. Empty box. Here, let's hope something nasty's in here. We'll sweat them. We'll sweat the cards like something really nasty is going to be in it, just in case there is. All right, first card up. Oh, maybe if I can grab it. For the Giants, Jalen Hyatt rookie. Spectra style. Not too bad. Not too bad, yeah. Oh, you don't want to be in there, do you? There you go. Too bad, you're going in there. Next up, Something shiny. Something sparkly. Like a disco or something. Pulsar. Pulsar for the Bears. DJ Moore. Out of 99. Headed to the Baz. Take that bad boy too. This break, no. It's actually not. But some of the what I normally do, it usually is, bro. Because I usually open quite a bit. I mean, there's a pile, but it's not. It ain't bad. That looks like a niner to me. And what a niner it is. Steve Young on the Triple Threats patch. Out of 75. Headed to Mr. Esquire. Turn your head, Fred. Turn away. Turn your head away. It's a little bit thicker than the other ones. So we need a thicker penny sleeve. All right. Last card of the first pack. Aspiring. For the Cardinals. Clayton Tune RPA. Look at that patch. Was he in a battle? Out of 25. There's your Cardinal, brother. There's you a Cardinal. They were one of the first teams off last night, Chet. Or one of the first 2 or 3. There's only 3 cards in that pack? No, there's 4. Okay. I was like, wait up, hold up. Don't you be playing no game, Spectra. Oh, I saw an emblem right there. First card for the Bucks, Trey Palmer. For the Buccaneers. I saw the emblem on this next card. I didn't mean to, but I saw it. But let's see who it is. Who it is it doesn't matter what team it is. It matters who it is. Who's it going to be? It's Jack. Jack Campbell. Cracked ice out of 40. Gil. You're just getting a piece of all the other stuff, aren't you? I mean, it's not a terrible card. But there's other Lions out there. Oh, no. For the Niners, that's Kittle. Out of 6 out of 15. Sunday Spectacle patch. Oh, Fred. Oh, Fred hates me right now. He's like, you primo, you son of a... You mother... I have pulled Fred some good Niners, though. Now it's Mr. Esquire's turn. Today it's Mr. Esquire's turn. Sunday Spectacle, 6 out of 15. Mr. Kittle. Should be an auto. Oh. For the Rams. Stetson Bennett Spectral. For the Rams, out of 10. 3 out of 10 for the Rams. Mr. Bennett. Mr. He might not. Stafford's getting a little old out there. Stafford takes one more hit. Bennett might be chilling in the cut. Out of 10. Look how shiny and nice it is. It's so nice. All right, that's the second pack. We've got 2 more to go. I mean, really, you take anything out of 10 these days. Especially ones that aren't, we don't really know. Nothing's over yet. Oh, that's like a die cut or something under there. Okay. Infrared. Oh, boy. Who is that? For the Broncos, Marvin Mims, infrared, out of 50. There you go, Denver. Okay. Okay. There you go, Mark. That's not bad at all. No, not bad at all. Look at that. I like it, yeah. Now's the little die cut action. I'm not sure what's popping here. For them boys, Mr. Dak Prescott. That card looks nasty. I don't know if it's how low numbered it is. Out of 15. I figured it was low. For the Dallas Cowboys, headed to Fred. Out of 15. Spectravision. There you go, brother. There you go, brother. All right, what do we got here? Upside down. For the Falcons, BRO, I think we know who that is, out of 75. Bijan Robinson, next era patch action. Falcons needed some love. They finally got some cool kicks. You got a little piece of some gold here. Just a little bit. He's nasty. He's nice now. DJ's pleading for a card out of Spectra. Please, a card out of Spectra. All I need is a card out of Spectra. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Depending on who it is, man. Hang on. Let's get a sneak peek here. Oh, my God. I think it is. Oh, my God, Gil. Jahmyr Gibbs, Pandora, RPA, out of 30. 4 out of 30. Wow. Boy, did you pick the right time. Boy, did you pick the right one. That's nasty. I went to the auto. I was like, wait a minute. I'm going to go to the auto before I showed Jack Campbell again or something. Look at that. Wow. Congrats, bro. Look at the patch. Lost in mail. well, wait a minute. I don't think that was a Jahmyr Gibbs. Hold up. I actually just pulled a slab out of that pack. It was a Desmond Ridder slab. Look at that. That's nasty. We got one more pack to go. You guys, we're just doing a break. We're almost at the end. This is the last pack. These are all going to somebody. They got squads in the break. If you like breaking, I see 100 people in here. Follow me. I'll have another break tomorrow morning. I'll post a video this afternoon So be on the lookout for it. And that way you can maybe get a better team than if you wait till tomorrow morning. You'll kind of have first dibs on the team that you want. But we've got one more pack to go here. Good luck, everybody. I know some of you want a little bit of gold. We're going to find out. We got 4 cards left. It depends on the team. So just be on the lookout for it. Then you can click on the video and see. You can look at the teams and see how much they are based off of the product that's in it. Joe Namath for the Jets. That's a heck of a card, bro. I'm glad you could do that first go round. That's pretty nasty. We still got 3 cards left. Nothing is over. For the Falcons, Drake London out of 75. So the Falcons didn't leave you completely hanging, bro. They showed up. It was touch and go there for a bit. And I'll do a recap of everything at the end. Just in case it's something good. That's why, Holly. We could just rip it off and, rip it away and be like all these other puds that break. Oh, did I say pud? My bad. For the Bills, Stephon Diggs, 98 out of 99. Max Impact. Almost last on print. Some people like to get their kicks slowly, okay? Not just bust in there like a 14-year-old and be done real quick. Meh. Last card. For the Panthers, Miles Sanders auto out of 199 for the Panthers to end it out. And like I always say, you guys, don't worry. I'll see everything a little bit more clear when it's all sorted. And I'm always going to take care of you. Even if you didn't have a great break, it's going to be okay. And I know I can assess it much better when I see it. Appreciate you, Fred. We're going to do a recap of all this real quick for the YouTubers. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube if you're not. Primo Breaks LLC on YouTube. That's where all the replays are. That's where you can see what happened in case you missed something. Appreciate you, chat. Appreciate you, everybody. I'll have one for tomorrow morning, too. It won't have Spectra this time, so I'll probably have a little bit more in it. Josh Allen, Airborne. Green Wave, Joe Burrow. Bronze, Jalen Waddle, rated rookie. Ant-Man, Derek Carr. Jamar Chase, rookie. Romeo Dobbs, die cut, rookie. Will Levis, laser. Earl Campbell, silver. Christian Watson, rookie. Christian Watson, rookie. Malcolm Rodriguez, rookie. Garrett Wilson, Rashad White. Bryce Young. Aiden O'Connell. Jaden Reed, red. Khalil Mack, silver. George Kittle, green wave. A.J. Brown, green wave. Justin Herbert, green wave. Thule, silver. Tank Dell, red. Jackson Smith, thrillers. Quentin Johnston, James Conner, Crusades. C.J. Stroud on the thrillers. Patch rookie Javonte Williams for the Broncos. I can, Sut, if that's what you want. I got more than you can handle. I'll make you a good deal. Message me. Jahmyr Gibbs, Jordan Addison red, Joe Burrow die cut, Sam Howell die cut, Saquon Barkley die cut, Bryce Young red, Jalen Hurts laser, Hendon Hooker red, Darius Davis auto out of 299 for the Chargers, Kyle Pitts rated rookie, Brock Purdy rookie, Brian Robinson Jr., Rashee Rice patch out of 399 Star Search, Zay Flowers draft class, Zay Flowers rookie rush, Miles Sanders auto out of 199, Jahmyr Gibbs Pandora RPA out of 50, or out of 30. My God, Gil. Out of 30. 4 out of 30. George Kittle Sunday Spectacle out of 15. Stephon Diggs out of 99. Patch, Max Impact, Joe Namath, Bijan Robinson Next Era out of 75. Infrared Marvin Mims out of 50. Stetson Bennett Spectral out of 10. 3 out of 10. Jack Campbell, appreciate you, brother, out of 40. Steve Young, triple threats out of 75. Jalen Hyatt, rookie. Justin Jefferson, 399 patch. NFL Authentic. Drake London out of 75. Dak Prescott, that's kind of nasty looking, out of 15. 10 out of 15. Trey Palmer, rookie for the Bucks. DJ Moore, Pulsar out of 99. And a Clayton Tune Aspiring RPA out of 25. Not a bad Spectre box. That was pretty good. I'll get something posted this afternoon, you guys, for tomorrow morning. I haven't really figured out what I'm going to put in it yet, but it's going to be something, and it's going to probably be more than what we had in it today because I'm not going to have a Spectre in it. So just be on the lookout for that. Appreciate you all so much. I'll be in touch in a little bit. Y'all be on the lookout for it and be ready because you know what we do around here. We rip fire just like that, chilling back there. Y'all enjoy the rest of your Saturday. I'll probably see some of you around the way, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks, everybody.